Hi, I'm Kerry, one of the product specialists here at DeltaNet International. Today I'm going to show you how to create a quick quiz. A quick quiz can be used for many purposes. For example, to assess knowledge of your policies. To get started, select the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Management from the drop-down, then the Content Management tile. And finally, select the Quick Quiz tile. This screen lists quick quizzes already set up. We don't have any set up yet, so we'll select the Add New Quiz tile to start the Quick Quiz creation wizard. You can create a new quiz from a copy of an existing one by clicking the Copy Quiz button. But we will create a new one from scratch. Start by giving the quiz a title, and then a description. You can upload an image. This is used as the tile graphic on the My Activities page. To select an image, either drag the image to the target area or select the target area to browse for the file. I'm going to select this image. Once you are happy with the image, select the Build Quick Quiz button. You'll see the information you've just entered on this screen, and you can change it here if you spot any errors. As it's a new quiz, we don't yet have any questions. We will build these in a moment. Select the pass mark you want for your quiz. 80% pass mark is an industry standard, so is set to the default. In the next two fields, you can enter overall feedback that the learner received after completing the quiz. Select the Edit buttons to enter passed and not passed feedback, and then type the feedback you would like the learner to see. You need to select Save to store that information. I'll just enter something for the not passed feedback too. And select Save again. Now it is time to create the questions. Select the Manage Question Bank button. The Quick Quiz feature supports 5 different formats of questions, as detailed here. For this sample quick quiz, we will enter 3 of these types. I'll start with a simple multiple choice style question. Each question is created by completing a simple form. Start by entering a question reference for the question. Now enter a question title. Then enter the question text here. Default question instructions are preloaded for each question type and are displayed to help the learner when they take the quiz. You can change these for specific questions or just accept the default. Now you need to enter the answer options. You can have up to 6 potential answers, but I'm only going to enter 3. You need to select this box to indicate which answer is the correct one. You can have more than one correct answer for a question. If you want to give learners feedback for every question, you can enter it here. You can enter this in manually or cut and paste from another document. I'll just add some incorrect feedback for that question. Once you are happy with what you've entered, select Save or Save and add another if you wish to create another question of the same type. You'll now see the question we've added in the question bank. I'm going to add a multiple option select type question this time. Again, give that question a reference and a title. Type in the question text. Again, you can amend the default instructions if you want to. This question type will create a grid selection matrix. You enter the headings first. You are then able to start adding in the different questions that you would like to ask. You'll need to select the correct option. Next, we select the option to add in multiple question statements. Repeat the process until you have fully constructed your question. Once you have finished, you can insert feedback for this particular question. Insert correct and incorrect feedback. Again, we can save or save and add another question of this question type. Finally, I'm going to add in a rating question by selecting Rating. Again, we have some question details to fill out, starting with the question reference, then the question's title, then the question text. Again, the question instructions will be pre-populated for ease of use. Now create your scale. Next, enter the statement by selecting the question box. Now select the correct answer for this statement. You can add multiple statements. For each statement, you'll need to enter the individual feedback. We are then again able to select whether we want to save or save and add another question of the same type. This takes us back to the Question Bank Management page, where you can edit or delete any of the questions created. To edit or delete, select one of the options above. Once we are happy, select Back to build Quick Quiz. As you can see, our quiz questions have been added into that particular quiz. Quick Quiz supports randomization from a question bank. To implement this feature, select how many questions you'd like to be included in the quiz. To change this, select Edit. You have then got the ability to select the number of questions you want to ask, or select all to ask all questions. Once selected, select Save. You can also randomize the ordering of questions. If you would like users to see the question bank in a randomized order, select Randomize. If you do not want this randomized, select Don't Randomize. You can choose to provide learners with feedback for each question they attempt. Select the option you would like. We are now ready to preview the quiz created to check that everything is in working order. Select Preview Quiz. This takes us to a new tab that shows the quiz from a learner's perspective. You get the ability to run through the questions to check what you have built. To edit or delete, select the Manage Question Bank button. You can edit or delete any questions by selecting the options on the right-hand side. When you are happy, select Build Quick Quiz. Finally, you need to publish the quiz by selecting the Publish Quiz button. The quick quiz you've just created now appears within the Quick Quiz Management page. You can go back and edit this quiz at any time. You can now enroll learners onto this quiz by visiting the enrollment feature of Astute. There is a separate tutorial video on this topic.